From the sun in the north to the sea in the south. Different tongues, one heartbeat, one proud mouth. Yoruba drums, Hausa call, Igbo fire in the sound.
Every prescription, every counseling session, every life saved, every healthy community begins with a pharmacist.
Across Nigeria, community pharmacists continue to stand at the front line of healthcare, bringing expertise, compassion, and innovation closer to the people. Now, the profession gathers once again for its biggest scientific event of the year.
The Association of Community Pharmacists of Nigeria proudly invites you to the 45th Annual International Scientific Conference,
Unity 2026, a week dedicated to knowledge, innovation, leadership, collaboration, and transforming healthcare for generations to come.
This year's compelling theme is From Local Pharmacy Practice to Global Impact, Managing Complex Political Systems. A timely conversation exploring how pharmacy leadership can thrive, influence policy, and improve healthcare delivery in an increasingly dynamic world.
From Monday, the 27th of July to Saturday, the 1st of August 2026, healthcare professionals, industry leaders, researchers, regulators, students, and stakeholders from across Nigeria and beyond will converge at the magnificent Bola Ahmed Tinubu International Conference Center, Abuja.
Gracing this landmark conference are some of Nigeria's most distinguished leaders. The President of the Senate, Senator Dr. Godswill Akpabio, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Tajuddin Abbas, the Executive Governor of Niger State, Farmer Muhammad Umar Bago, Chairman of the conference.
Also expected, the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Barrister Yesam Wike, the Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Muhammad Ali Pate, the Honorable Minister of State for the FCT, Dr. Maria Mahmoud Bunkure, and the Honorable Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Dr. Isiaq Salako.
Delivering the keynote address is renowned pharmaceutical industry leader from Adewale Oyenuga, MNI, FPSN, FNA Farm, MD, CEO, Evans Therapeutics Limited.
Under the distinguished leadership of Chief Host Farm Ayuba Tanko Ibrahim, FPSN, MIAD, MBA, FNA Farm, PSN President. Host Farm Eze Ambrose, MAW, DC Farm, National Chairman, ACPN, and Conference Planning Committee Chairman, Farm Chidi Doze, FPSN.
Expect world-class scientific presentations, cutting-edge pharmaceutical innovations, thought-provoking policy discussions, networking with industry experts, business opportunities, exhibitions, professional development, and unforgettable experiences.
Whether you are a community pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, academic, researcher, industrial professional, healthcare policymaker, student, or a valued partner in healthcare, Unity 2026 is where you belong. Unity 2026, the 45th Annual International Scientific Conference of the Association of Community Pharmacists of Nigeria, July 27th to August 1st, 2026, Bola Ahmed Tinubu International Conference Center, Abuja.
One profession,
one voice. Unity 2026.
From local pharmacy practice to global impact. See you in Abuja.
Official media partner, CEO Africa.
Many roads, one homeland, one sacred